the change I've made to this is I have put this is a 1 litre, 1 kilo weight on here, and I used to have it just tied on to the drive here, but as the line stretched, this would have play in the wind, so it would twist back and forth a lot more in the wind, and it would bounce around a bit, and now it really doesn't do that, because this here kind of stops it, is one thing that stops it, plus the water that is in this is also kind of prevents it from going too far. So it's far more stable with this than prior, when it was just attached here and one of these would be loose, because it's all these, everything stretches over time. So yeah, it's much better like this than before. And I think I'll just count the loops. I think I've got 3 loops here. 1, 2. Yeah, I've got 3 loops, and 3 loops seems to be fairly good. And that's that has a tight grip on that, so that when I let it roll back in the morning, or sorry, in the evening, when things are done in the evening, I just twist this around. I guess I can show you. So it's a little bit messy, and then it will go back. Well, it'll in the evening without this, or sorry, without this going, it will go right back. But this kind of offers, you know, it offers itself as a bit of a break, and now it'll go back to where it's supposed to go. So yeah, it's bringing itself back to the correct place now. It's been very steady in the wind, so clothes are blowing around, and it's staying very, very steady, because now, for the first time since I started it up, it's tight all the time at both sides. And here we go. Here's a little bit of wind, but so it moved that because it's not tied down, but as you can see, it's barely moved. It's barely moved the sides of it, and the little guy is working like crazy, keeping his horses in line, and yeah, it's barely moved, and this is working fine, so it's good. And this is the airlift pump, so air gets through, and this, when the lack of tension on the string, the air comes down in here and goes up to the airlift pump. And I'm just going to push on this, and oh, I didn't push fast enough, hard enough I mean. But there's what happens when you push on it. And tension off again. So there we go. So as soon as soon as it gets to the right spot, it'll stop. Anyway, there's the deal at the moment. Thank you.